Hi, I'm Seth Schoenfeld, principal of Olympus Academy.
I'm PJ Murray, assistant principal of Olympus Academy.
Olympus Academy is a small transfer school located on 101st and Flatlands in the Canarsie section of Brooklyn. We serve 200 students who are considered overage and undercredited. When we went to the iLearn program, we decided to change our entire instructional vision. All of our courses are now offered through blended learning, of which the curriculum have been developed by our teachers in-house. Our plan moving forward is to continue to push our school students and staff to individualize every single student's learning experience and give them everything they need to develop skills necessary for post-secondary success and a successful life after graduation from high school. What we're looking for now is to become part of a group of schools who continues to push the envelope, think forward, and try to change education for the better of all of our students around the city.